There you go, you're
Okay.
recording.
Is it recording now?
Yes.
Or, okay. Ready?
Can you go to the top of the towel just so when I run, I can have the towel?
Yeah.
You'll run. Go, David, go.
Don't slip.
I did that once.
Oh, he did it! Oh my gosh! Is he still breathing?
David! Oh my gosh! You're almost there! 2 more feet! You gotta touch the bottom! Run!
Thank you.
Oh, got that blood boiling now.